From WMAR-2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Well, now that the rain is gone, the story has shifted, and now we're talking fog. Dense fog advisory that we were telling you that we expected to come down the pipeline has done so, and it's in effect for the entire state of Maryland, all of our viewers until 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. That cloud deck is pretty low. That combined with all of the moisture from the rain today, I think we're going to see some issues, especially along and east of I-95. But lots of folks are going to be looking at visibility between 0 and 1/10 of a mile. You want to make sure you're packing your patience. Listen, we saw lots of accidents this morning on the roadways. Remember to use those low beams, and that extra 5 minutes is worth saving some lives. Now, heading into the day tomorrow, not going to be quite so active for us, but to the south and west, we're going to be looking at level 4 out of 5 risk for severe weather. So we're going to be looking at the potential for some severe thunderstorms and some significant tornadoes. We'll be watching this line of showers and thunderstorms develop in the morning, but mainly watching the mid-south during the afternoon as the atmosphere gets a little bit destabilized. Notice those showers get a little bit closer to us, but I think we're mainly dry through the early afternoon. There is that chance of some sprinkles as we head into the evening hours, especially for folks northwest of the city, but I think the real rain chance increases as we head through the overnight hours into the start of your Friday. Here's a look at the hour-by-hour breakdown. 8 o'clock getting on the roads. Once again, I'm going to remind you to use those low beams because fog will be everywhere and it is going to be pretty thick at times. Temperatures quickly get out of the 50s and we're in the 60s through the afternoon. I think this is going to be a pretty solid afternoon for a walk at the park or a nice little jog or maybe even a bike ride. I think we'll get into the 70s for a couple of hours before those numbers start to fall back down and we start to see those slight rain chances trickling in as we head into tomorrow evening. More of that moisture building 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. I expect to see lots of shower activity in our area, but by the time you're getting out, I think by 8, those showers are isolated to north and west of the city, and I think it's very isolated. And then we're clearing out, southerly flow takes over, and it will be windy. We're talking gusts 40+ miles per hour. Do not be surprised if we're talking wind advisories for your Friday. Temperatures, though, will be warming into the upper 70s, flirting with 80 degrees because that is a southerly component to the wind, but it is a cold front and the temperatures do dip a little bit behind that. I think Saturday's your weekend winter where we are dry and sunny and 70 degrees for Sunday, but there is that chance of some afternoon and evening showers. So we'll be watching that next system roll through, and that's going to drop those temperatures down into the upper 50s just in time for Monday. Temperatures climb back into the 60s on Tuesday, and we're watching our next weather maker bring a rain chance into view next Wednesday.
All right, thanks a lot, Patrick.